Hi, my name is Kalina, and today I will show you how to quickly set up the homepage branding for your mobile app in your LyfQuest platform. So starting from the left navigation menu, select the Settings tab. When selected, you will be presented with the Settings page, and from here, choose the Site tab. From top to bottom on the right-hand side, you are presented with a series of settings, giving you the freedom to personalize the look and feel of your branding on your mobile app homepage here. So it is important to note that any changes that are made here are immediate and instant here. So under the site field text is where you will add your CTA or your call to action. And this is that marketing slogan or instructions your clients will see after they download the LyfQuest app from the App Store and put their email in associated with the account they have with you. And as you can see, there is an abundant amount of space for you. Under the theme area, changing the background color and text colors below will update the headers on this page and will reflect in the app for your clients. So for example, the primary color is the exact color of the tab or button for your clients to accept the invitation to log into your app. So changing the primary color by simply clicking on the primary color tab, you can move your cursor around by changing the color, or if you have branding colors, you can enter them below. Once you've identified your color or enter your brand colors, it will change it immediately on your app's homepage. From here, you have the ability to add your homepage banner image, which LyfQuest supports JPEG files or PNG files, and preferably rectangled and at least 3,000 pixels. So to add your banner image for your homepage, you'll simply select and identify the image of your choice and then choose open. And once you've selected it here, it is instant again on the client's app here. So thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up successful LyfQuest